Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Lautie and Muyi collaboration King for the chess series. Here with me for a review, we're going to analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this beautiful toy. But don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already, and let me know in the comments down below if you are enjoying these kind of toys. If you like these videos, just connect, let me know. You can also check out Fablades.com and add Fablades on Instagram if you are into pictures. Look at this. Check out my EDC. This guy comes with extra set of bearings, gaskets, stickers, extra bearings. I mean, it's like fully loaded right over here. Classic Lautie box, but we are here to check out this gorgeous and beautiful, and this is the King for the chess series. This is a fantastic one. I have all the set. This is the Cupro copper, and this is the copper Cupro, but I just swapped the parts so to have the solid pieces, so to have, you know, the white King and the kind of black King. So I'm just gonna take this one like for the review, but just so you know, this will come not like that. It's gonna come like with alternated parts, and then you can disassemble and put together to have solid pieces like this guy right over here, or like this other guys right over here that I'm just gonna quickly show you. This is the rook, this is going to be the pawn, that is the knight, and this is the bishop. I am missing the queen, which is on the way, it's arriving, so but almost complete the series for these beautiful spinners, and from Lautie and Muyi collaboration. This is a collaboration between two of the biggest and nicest company that are making fidget toys, and this is a double spinner, so the crown spins and the bottom part also spins as well. Very, very interesting. Milling for sure. Nice design. How they made these set of chess, like it's just incredible. I am loving it. It is fully disassemblable. There's I don't know, 12 parts, something like that, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts at least, I think, in this very intricate, elegant, beautifully designed King for the chess series. This is the copper nickel version, so there's two options. You have stainless steel and brass, or you have copper nickel and copper, and there's going to be therefore 4 options to combine them together. And you want to do, if you want to do the solid one, you can do the copper nickel and copper, or the stainless steel and brass, and you're going to have to buy 2 sets for those. So the price for this guy is around $300 in that ballpark right now, because it's sold out. There's 99 only made of this, so it's a limited edition. I know it's not everyone is going to be able to get one, but it's part of the fun, it's part of the hunt, it's part of the game to try to find, locate, and snag one of these beautiful toys right over here. I just want to give you a little size comparison right over here. I want to show you a couple of popular options. This is the AC EDC Gamer Slider. Another from Lautie. This is the Shuffle right over there. Let me show you another couple Shuffle beautiful ones. That is the mini dealer right there. Black mirror design. That's the telephone dial. What else you want to see? I don't know. KTS Helios ratchet. And last one, all right, why not? Because I really like this one lately. That's the Armored Shield by Wanwu Studio. So you have an idea of the size. Let's check the weight. This is going to be the weight for the full copper nickel version, and of course the stainless steel and the brass are not going to be right over here in this video. So 291 versus 290. Look at that for the copper. So 1.01 ounces more, so basically same weight for these two beautiful Kings for the Lautie chess series. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.